How long does it take to get through the city or county reviews? They can be broken down into several phases. The first phase is the application intake phase. So the intake phase is when the jurisdiction or city officials review all the application documents and the plans to ensure that they meet the submittal standards and that you have everything that you need for a proper review. The next phase is going to be the review phase. That's when they're checking the plans under a microscope. They're evaluating it from like a structural point of view, an environmental, geotechnical point of view. And then the issuance phase is essentially just they're applying their stamps. It's more of like a formal process from the permit tech, which can still take a little bit of time. In total, you're looking at approximately 3 to 10 weeks, depending on the project scope, its complexity, and where the permit application is based. If there's an environmentally critical area on your property, that could cause the entire review time to extend another 4 to 6 weeks.